Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to create Facebook ads using your Facebook mobile. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. And I am going to show you this using Android emulator. So this is Android version. Process is similar to PC version, Android version and iPhone version also. So follow my mouse pointer for your easy navigation. First, you should have Facebook page to perform create ads. I have one video previously created how to create Facebook page. So if you don't know how to create Facebook page, please watch that video. Then after come to this video. Okay, after you creating your Facebook page, then you have to do is first log into your profile. Then after you can see there is a small profile icon. In my case it is 3 lines. Just tap on it. Then you need to scroll down a little bit and tap on see more here and scroll down, and you can see there is option called pages. Just tap on it, and under the pages you manage section you can see your page. Just tap on your page. Now it will ask you to switch from the profile to page. Just tap on switch. Now you switching to profile to your Facebook page. Okay, now you are in your Facebook page. Alright, you can see there is a profile icon again in top right corner. Just tap on it. Scroll down a little bit, scroll down. Then you can see there is option called Ad Center. Just tap on it. Wait for loading. It will take small time according to your device performance and internet connection speed. Alright, there are 3 options here: boost post, create new ad, getting started with automated ads. Now I am going to create new ad, so just tap on create new ad. Alright, now you are here. Alright, it's loading completed. If you see please authenticate your phone number kind of message, you need to enter your phone number for authentication. It will send you a confirmation code to your mobile. Then you have to confirm that. Then this process will be continued. After that you can see this kind of page. This is your page name and your title, and they will ask about goal of the promotion creating ads. So it is, you can choose it as automatic or get more messages, visitors, page likes. You can choose from here. I like to keep it as it is, like automatic. Just scroll down. Alright, and you can send a message. Choose the action you want people take when they see your ad. You can edit that from here. Okay. You can choose what kind of button you have to need. You have several options here: apply now, book now, contact us, download kind of thing. Just choose whatever you like from here and then tap on save. Then after go back again. Okay, that is send message option, and you can choose add category, which category based on your ads. To activate that you just tap on activate here. Okay, now it is activated. Now you have drop down just here. Just tap on it. Okay, it is related to ask about your ad category related section. First one is social issues, second one housing, employment, credit. Choose which category belongs to your ad. Then after tap on done. Now it is set as employment. If you don't know which ad category your ad is belongs, or you don't need to add that category, you just untick this. Okay, scroll down again. Now you have messaging apps. This will help you to people can message you. You can do it through Messenger. It is auto selected, and you can add Instagram here, and you can add WhatsApp here. If you need to add this kind of account, just tap on connect. Then it will be ask your credentials, and then it will be connect to your ads. After that you can change welcome message for your customers. You can edit that welcome message by typing edit. I'm not going to do that right now. There are some options here: get more calls from people, an audience, and you have choose the target audience for this. Just tap on create new. Okay, now you have filter the audience you need to target. This is the age filter. You can change this by increasing or decreasing here, and you can change location, and you can add interested, and you can change genders. Now it is set as all, and you can then after you can just tap on save audience, and I'm not going to change those information right now. Okay, scroll down again. Okay, you can choose the add appear sections. Messenger is auto selected, and then after you will ask daily budget for your ads. Currently it is set as $5 per day. Then it also shows how much reach you can get from this kind of amount. Currently, according to $5, 6.3k to 18k. If you use $1, you can get 1.6k to 4.6k. Choose whatever you budget according to your budget planning. Then after scroll down, then you need to add the duration. Currently it is set as 5 days. You can increase it into 6 days, so up to 30 days. Okay, after changing those information, you should add payment method. Just tap on add here, and you need to add your card informations. Okay, according to this, I am set as $5 and 6 days. Then 6 into 5 mean $30. Okay, your budget will be calculated here. Then after you just tap on promote now, then it will be activate your ads campaign. So this is how you can create Facebook ads. So I hope you gain some knowledge from this, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.